नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंदा. Enunciating the significance of Utpanna Ekadashi. Utpanna Ekadashi is an auspicious day to honor Lord Vishnu. Ekadashi holds its own religious and spiritual significance. On this auspicious day, Lord Vishnu is worshipped with utmost devotion and purity. Utpanna Ekadashi is celebrated on 11th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Margashirsha. This year, Utpanna Ekadashi fast is being observed today on 26th November 2024. Ekadashi is purely dedicated to honor Lord Vishnu, and this day is considered as the most auspicious and sacred day to worship Sri Hari. Lord Vishnu devotees worship Lord Vishnu and observe fast to please Lord Vishnu, and they perform various puja rituals with purity and devotion to seek blessings of Sri Hari. It is said that Ekadashi fast is mainly observed to get relief from all types of past and present sins and get moksha or salvation. The fast also enlighten you with the spirituality. Those who practice self-discipline, celibacy and asceticism during this fast and follow the fast every month get rid of birth and death cycle and get placed in Vaikuntha Dham, the abode of Lord Vishnu. On this day, Mata Ekadashi is also worshipped along with Lord Vishnu. According to Hindu scriptures, once there was a demon named Murasur who used to scare people with his bad deeds and created terror among people. Deities got terrified by him and sought help from Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu then fought with him for hundreds of years. Meanwhile, Lord Vishnu wanted to take rest and went into cave and slept there for some time, and the name of the cave was Himvati. Murasur entered into the cave to kill Lord Vishnu. So when Lord Vishnu was sleeping, to stop Murasur demon, a beautiful female with a divine feminine energy appeared in front of this demon and killed him after a long battle. Lord Vishnu was shocked seeing all this after he came out of the sleeping state. Sri Hari became very happy and considered this feminine energy as part of him and named her as Utpanna Ekadashi. Since then, the day is celebrated as the Utpanna Ekadashi. Puja rituals to be followed by every devotee. First, wake up early in the morning and take holy bath and clean the house before starting puja rituals. Second, one must have a firm devotion and dedication while performing puja. Third, devotees place an idol of Lord Vishnu along with Sri Yantra, light a diya in front of the idol with desi ghee, offer flowers or garlands and sweets. Fourth, offer panchamrit, milk, curd, sugar, honey and ghee along with tulsi patra to please Lord Vishnu, and without offering tulsi patra, puja is considered incomplete. Fifth, devotees must also perform puja in the evening also just before sunset and offer bhog prasad to Lord Vishnu. One must recite Vishnu Sahasranam, Sri Hari Stotram and chant Lord Vishnu Arti. Sixth, devotees must break their fast on Dwadashi Tithi. Seventh, Bhog Prasad must be sattvic fruits, milk products, fried potatoes, etc. Eighth, after performing puja, distribute Bhog Prasad among all the family members. Ninth, then they can break their fast. 10th, devotees must visit temple to seek blessings from Lord Vishnu. मंत्र ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.